You know why she's acting adorable? Cheese string. Oh, Cleo! Now I have to give her a piece. Here. We share cheese strings. G-string! No. Cheese string, you perverts. I'm the one that said it, which means I'm the pervert. I'm always the pervert. I must go be a pervert. Because I'm hot and bothered by Gabe. Okay, be good. I'll always love you. Oh, okay, cute cat. No matter what video I make, I'm gonna freaking talk about him, I bet. Because I'm obsessed, like, so bad. But anyways, here's my cute cat. She's staring at it. It's on my lap and she's staring at it. Oh my god, bye.